Hi guys, welcome into today's little video. We wanted to show you a little bit about our Nano Precision CLP gun oil. And just wanted to give you a quick overview on how to use it, things to look for while you're cleaning your gun. By no means am I a gun expert, but as your average pistol shooter, here's some things to look for while we're using it. In today's application, I'll be using the needle point, which is great for getting into tight spots while cleaning your gun at home. At the range, I like to throw in our drip top bottle, and that allows for easy application at the range and without worry about damaging the needle point applicator. All right, we're gonna take a look at the key components to lubricate while maintaining your gun here with using our CLP gun oil. This is the barrel itself out of the gun. We're gonna clean and lubricate the entire surface, this inside, outside. We're gonna look down the rifling of the barrel itself. We're gonna make sure that we can't see any clogs of carbon buildup, and if it's clean and looks good, then we just put a brief application on with our brush that came with the gun or with your gun cleaning kit. I'm going to look at the recoil spring as well. This we're going to make sure we lubricate really well. This particular spring, when I took it out, did not have a lot of carbon buildup on it, but we're going to make sure and use our applicator, apply a liberal coat on there and wipe off the excess as we get done. Looking at the top part of the slide, we're going to get into the actual grooves of the slide itself. We're going to make sure to lubricate all the mating surfaces, so right here in this part and down here, especially right at the slide itself and at the back part, we're going to make sure to lubricate those well. And looking at the base part of this gun, we're going to take special attention at the ejector pin, make sure that's clean and well lubricated. Again, across the top parts of the slide to make sure that's clean and lubricated as well. But we want to avoid getting lubricated down inside the actual magazine well. So this was just a real brief demonstration of how to use our new Nano Precision CLP gun oil by Hot Shot Secret. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on our 800 number or our website.